Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. It is time for your little bit of Spanish. And I have been getting so much positive feedback. And when I'm walking around Punta Cana, people are like, oh, I saw your Spanish this morning. I saw your Spanish lesson. So I'm going to keep going. And today is day 76. We on the roll, y'all. Okay, so listen to this closely, okay? Mira mi canal esta noche para un gran anuncio. One more time. Mira mi canal esta noche para un gran anuncio. So watch my channel tonight for a big announcement. I'm so excited. I'm about to start dancing right now. So, mira mi canal esta noche para un gran anuncio. I said it a little bit faster. Watch my channel tonight for a big announcement. That's a little bit of Spanish. Ebony Ladies in the DR, regular episodes every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is Thursday, so you got a regular episode tonight. Turn on your notification bell to get your Spanish tomorrow and any other little announcements I put out there. All right, so don't forget, like, subscribe, and share to the channel. Hit your notification bell, but most importantly, watch tonight for a big announcement. Talk to y'all later. See you tomorrow.